Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken stock quickly. Making homemade chicken stock can seem time-consuming, but with a few smart techniques, you can have a rich, flavorful broth in a fraction of the usual time. We will focus on using a pressure cooker, which is a game changer for speed and efficiency. This method ensures you get deep flavor without waiting for hours on the stovetop. For our quick chicken stock, the right ingredients are key. Start with approximately 2 pounds of chicken bones, such as backs, necks, or a leftover carcass. These provide the essential collagen and flavor. Next, add 1 large onion, 2 medium carrots, and 2 celery stalks, all roughly chopped. Finally, include 1 bay leaf, about 10 black peppercorns, and a few sprigs of fresh parsley for aromatic depth. Now, let's get cooking with the pressure cooker. Combine all your chicken bones, vegetables, and aromatics directly into the pot. Pour in enough cold water to cover everything by about 1 inch. This ensures proper extraction of flavors. Secure the lid, set your pressure cooker to high, and cook for 45 minutes to 1 hour. This short cooking time yields incredibly rich and gelatinous stock. Once your pressure cooker cycle is complete, allow the pressure to release naturally or manually. Then, carefully strain the hot stock through a fine mesh sieve into a large bowl or pot. Discard all the solids, as their flavor has been fully extracted. Let the stock cool completely to room temperature before transferring it to airtight containers. It can be refrigerated for up to 5 days or frozen for several months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.